Behind every gasket we manufacture is something even more important: our people. For more than 60 years, Dobson Gaskets has built its reputation on the dedication, expertise, and craftsmanship of a highly skilled team. From engineering and material selection to precision manufacturing and quality assurance, every product benefits from decades of knowledge and experience. As a family-owned business, family values remain at the heart of everything we do. We believe in putting people first, building long-term relationships with both our employees and our customers. Some of our team members have been with us for 25 years or more, passing on specialist skills and helping maintain the high standards our customers rely on. Today, those standards support customers across the UK and around the world, supplying precision-engineered gasket and sealing solutions to industries where reliability matters most. Dobson Gaskets, dedicated people, proven expertise, trusted worldwide.